Destiny is fixed, but luck can change. For instance, when good luck comes, we can increase our fortune. If an opportunity to make money arises, we can enhance our wealth stars to earn more. This is known as enhancing good fortune, meaning we strengthen favorable conditions to make them even better. Conversely, when bad luck is approaching, we can take steps to avoid it. This could involve preventing losses, illnesses, accidents, or legal troubles. This practice is known as avoiding misfortune. Learning Bazi and the principles of the I-Ching helps us to enhance good fortune and avoid misfortune. This is one of its primary benefits. The application of the I-Ching are vast and varied. What we are currently discussing, known as the four pillars of destiny, can only be considered an elementary course within the I-Ching discipline. Beyond that, there are more advanced and challenging subjects. The most difficult to learn is QiMenDunJia. QiMenDunJia has the broadest range of applications and can predict the most events. However, it is also the hardest to master. But don't be discouraged or feel like giving up just because some of this might sound difficult. It's actually not impossible to learn. As long as we take it step by step and study a little each day, we'll gradually master it. If any of you are interested, I'll keep adding more lessons. Whether it's Bazi or QiMenDunJia, we can all learn together. Since we have come this far, let me also briefly introduce QiMenDunJia. For now, just get a general idea of what it is and what it is used for. It can be used for small matters such as seeking wealth, diagnosing illnesses, finding lost items, predicting pregnancies, and determining the gender of a baby, as well as for predicting marriage, relationship dynamics, lawsuits, and even competition results. On a larger scale, it can predict events like earthquakes, floods, and even changes of dynasties. Don't miss out. Hit subscribe and share to join us on this incredible journey of discovery. Your support fuels our passion to keep creating. Got any questions or need personalized guidance? Leave us a comment or get in touch. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for being part of the LyFiveElements family. If anything is unclear, feel free to drop a comment below. I would love to discuss and explore these topics with you. And for those of you who want to understand your Bazi chart but find the learning process too complicated, you can always message me for a one-on-one consultation. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Your support truly motivates me to keep sharing this knowledge. See you in the next lesson.